After a difficult start of the trip, we managed to get on a night train to visit the north of Sweden. Sometimes things don't go as planned. That's exactly when you know you're in for a real adventure.
Hey, yeah, hell, I know how it is sometimes. You're holding on, trying to forget them all night, till you're drunk and you text that other ex, the one that said that they'd be there when you needed them. Peace of mind, don't waste your time with looking back. They're broken pieces of past. Come here and make some love that makes some love that lasts. You can't hide. Come make some love that lasts. Right. Come make some love that You're laid back.
Il se trouve qu'on a trouvé une jolie petite créature sur la route. Ça
C'est Rudolph.
c'est Rudolph. On va continuer sa trotte, hein.
Fighting the thoughts that you will never be in love, that you will never feel it all from this time on.